Real quick before we get started, here's a treehouse, the world's first robot treehouse that we built in Alabama. Check out Lee Acres on Airbnb.com. And also in Vermont, coming up, I think it's year 13, Tiny House Summer Camp, live speakers, live demos, camping, build with us the whole time, learn a ton by way of alternative materials and salvage. Way up in Vermont, relaxshacks.com for details or down below. This is a real quick show and tell for ideas here. It's a shed I visited actually a couple years ago and forgot I had this footage. Want to share it with you guys. It's a great potential tiny house conversion, the way this layout is done, with the dormers for space up in the attic, the porch for outdoor living space, and overall it's pretty spacious, being a little over 200 square feet down on the main floor. So this is something you could totally steal ideas from, or the look. It's actually pretty simple all in all. We'll go inside in just a bit. And as you round the corner here, and the yard and setting was just gorgeous, it just shows how some of these shed kits are just almost ready for conversion. Even this barn or load window up to the loft could be made into a window very easily. And it's just attractive. It has that curbside appeal. Inside framed out rather nicely, as you'll see in a second. Those vaulted or arched doors are a little bit of a pain to construct, and sometimes they don't seal so well over time. But that's something you could omit. But inside there's room for a bathroom. You can see this one had actually a door to the left where you can add on a little room for a bathroom for storage, a separate kitchen if you wanted, with a little shed pitch roof add-on. A little bump out as well in the front where the recessed porch is. And like I said, up above, and we'll get there in just a minute, there is what some would call the attic or loft, which has plenty of room for putting a bed, additional storage, things like that. And the peak, it's almost standable for most people as well. Really well built shed here all in all. The pull down stairs would be kind of a problem. So another idea could be where that door is. On the other side of that, you have a stairway. And underneath that stairway, of course, you would utilize that space for storage. And real quickly, here's the attic. As you can see, standable. The dormer adds some additional room, maybe pop in another dormer. Here's that loading door we saw before into the loft, and lots of potential here all in all. So just a few ideas or some visual inspiration. And by the way, we also have a treehouse building hands-on workshop happening in Maine coming up in the description below, or relaxshacks.com. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Please leave some comments down below. What do you think about this shed?